Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PlugShare to export favorite charging routes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for plugshare.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You'll be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first text field. Next, input your password in the second text field. If you prefer, you can choose to stay logged in by checking the box next to Remember Me. Once you have filled in your credentials, click on After logging in successfully, you will be directed to your PlugShare dashboard. Now, navigate to the Favorites section, usually found in the menu on the left side. Click on Favorites to view your saved charging locations. To export your favorite charging routes, look for the Export option, often represented by a download icon or similar link. Click on the Export option to initiate the export process. Follow the prompts to select the format you wish to export your routes in. After selecting your desired format, confirm the export. The file containing your favorite charging routes will begin to download automatically. Once the download is complete, you can find the file in your Downloads folder. And that's it. You've successfully logged into PlugShare and exported your favorite charging routes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.